Okay, so here is my classroom. This is Mr. Mendoza's got business class, of course. And over here I have my first assignment. It is called building a company. So here for my, wouldn't be my exactly first assignment, but it would be one of the assignments I would assign to my students. Here we have who it's assigned to, and of course I don't have any students, which you can find in here. So no, I don't have any students yet, but eventually when I do become a teacher, I will. So here, assigned and turned in. Of course, I have none turned in, none assigned. And going through all this, I want my kids to create a logo, which would look like this. This was one of my logos that I created for one of my own classes. And eventually, throughout the school year, I want them to do a whole company, which should look a little like this, having all these sorts of things connected to it, logoing, all of this pretty much. So eventually, my students will create all of that, and it should, again, a cool end of the year project, having them perform it, having them show me what they created. And over here, you get some cool things, some reviewing calendars to when students might know when things are um, are due, stuff like that. I think it's a pretty cool thing. My mom even taught me some more things about it, and I think that was a paid version though, because her district paid for it. But it looked again pretty interesting, and I look forward to using this in the future. Thank you.